Ukraine liberates Bezsalivka in Sumy Oblast. Ukraine reclaimed the strategic border settlement of Bezolivica in Sumy Oblast after eliminating 18 Russian soldiers, marking another reversal for Moscow's attempts to establish a security buffer zone along the frontier. Ukraine's defense forces have liberated the village of Bezolivica in Sumy Oblast from Russian occupying forces, the General Staff of Ukraine's Armed Forces reported on 10th August. The operation involved units from 33rd Assault Regiment and 24th Assault Battalion. According to the General Staff statement, Ukrainian forces eliminated 18 Russian soldiers during the fighting, though this claim could not be independently verified. Bezsalivka, a village of 91 residents, located on the Volfa River of the border with Russia, sits within the Bezolivica territorial community. The village's position places it approximately 30 kilometers west of heavier fighting elsewhere in Sumy Oblast, where Russian troops have advanced to within 30 kilometers of the regional capital. According to Yuri Zark, head of the Bezolivica community, several residents remained in Bezsalivka as of early July, despite refusing evacuation offers. The liberation represents part of Ukraine's recent counteroffensive efforts in the border oblast. Ukrainian forces pushed Russian forces out of several small villages at the end of July, following a period when Ukraine's defense of the area stabilized over June. The fighting intensifies more than 2 months after Russia opened this northeastern front. Russian forces made significant gains on Ukraine's side of Sumy Oblast over May and June, shortly after Russian President Vladimir Putin ordered the military to begin creating a security buffer zone along the border with Ukraine. The current operations follow Ukraine's earlier successes in the oblast. On 25th July, the 225th Assault Regiment completed clearing and securing the village of Kindrativka in Sumy Oblast. In June, President Volodymyr Zelensky announced that defense forces had succeeded in pushing Russian troops from Sumy Oblast's border areas, including the liberation of Andrivka. The border areas have experienced increased fighting after Ukrainian forces withdrew from territory held in Russia's neighboring Kursk Oblast, which was taken during Ukraine's cross-border insurgent in summer 2024. Meanwhile, near Lyman, the Ukrainian 63rd Mechanized Brigade remains firmly in control, effectively anchoring the defense of Torske through innovative defensive measures combined with preventive attacks against advancing Russian forces. This Ukrainian formation not only maintains entrenched positions, but also proactively disrupts enemy movements, refusing to allow the Russians a chance to stabilize their positions. A striking footage captures 2 Ukrainian infantrymen clearing a forest near a settlement, encountering Russian troops hiding in a dugout. After intense close-range combat with grenades and gunfire, the cornered Russians chose to surrender and were taken prisoners of war. Facing staggering casualties, the Russians recognized the danger of continuing frontal assaults against the fiercely defended Ukrainian positions around Torske. As a result, they attempted a new tactic, intensifying operations southwards across the Bezolivica River, hoping to outflank and encircle the Ukrainians from behind. However, previous Russian vulnerabilities remain unchanged. Troops must cross exposed terrain under constant Ukrainian drone surveillance, FPV drone strikes, and precise artillery fire. Every movement makes them easily spottable targets that the Ukrainians engage without hesitation. Aware of their limited infantry numbers, Ukrainian forces increasingly implement the drone line initiative to neutralize Russian assault groups before they approach their defenses. Drone operators in this program receive points for eliminating priority targets such as infantry and enemy drone teams, which they can then exchange for large quantities of upgraded equipment, incentivizing aggressive hunting of Russian troops and dramatically boosting effectiveness. Numerous videos from the front line near Torske illustrate this vividly, showing Russian infantry eliminated by precision grenade drops from Mavic and Vampire drones. In addition, Ukrainians have recently begun employing RPG-equipped drones to devastating effect, while traditional drone-drop grenades are often spotted and engaged by the Russians, which forces operators into dive bomb tactics that usually compromise accuracy. Grenade launcher drones offer a solution through stabilized aiming via a crosshair. One notable video displays a Ukrainian operator identifying several Russian soldiers, firing a precise grenade launcher round from the drone, repositioning swiftly and firing again from another angle to eliminate the survivors.
Все, на бал нахуй.